Let's press numpad 1, or type, and select front, to go to the front viewport. G, Z, and 1, to align the cube's bottom with the world center. Ctrl R, to place a loop cut in the middle. Shift Z, to go to wireframe mode. Let's move the middle bottom vertices upward a bit like this. In order to align the bottom vertices on the Z-axis, we need to select them, type S, Z, and 0. It's aligned now, but for some reason they're not aligned on the Z0 position. Let's press Ctrl Z to undo. Anyone knows if it's always been like this? I thought the vertices would align perfectly on the Z0 position if I do that. Let me try again after resetting all transforms and moving the origin to the Z0 position. That's odd. Let's just type 0 on the Z, like this. The next example is how to align, while using the mirror modifier. Let's select and remove one side of the faces. I'll add another loop cut, and move it, so they're no longer aligned. The most important thing to check while working with the mirror modifier is where the mesh's origin is located. Let's move the mesh's origin to the 3D cursor. We could use the same scale to 0 method, but there's a better way. Tab, to go to edit mode, enable the mirror modifier's clipping, and type G and X to move the entire mesh like this to align them. The last example is by using an add-on called the Loop Tools. What if we were to align the faces angled like this? We could manually move the vertices like this, but that won't be perfect. To use this feature, we need to activate the Loop Tools add-on. Select the top and the bottom vertices like this. Right-click, Loop Tools, and Curve to align them. Wait a minute, why did the back vertex move like that? I'm thinking that happened, because we've mirrored that mesh while using the clipping option. That's really weird. I'll show you what happens when we use a fresh mesh that was not mirrored. Let's delete this mesh, and create a new cube. Let's add some loop cuts. We're going to align the mesh in this angle. Perfect. That's how it works. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.